Jake here from Car Kingdom Southend with the Mini Cooper with the JCW body kit, the 1.5 turbo petrol, finished in a really lovely metallic grey and in very good condition with just over 7,000 miles. So wheels are clean all the way round with Dunlop tyres. They haven't been changed since brand new. The tyres are LED lights on the front with the daytime running lights, and the paintwork looks absolutely popping in the sun. Another Dunlop Sport Max tyre here on the front, plenty of tread left on that, and the alloy is unscathed. Looking down the side of the car, looks nice and clean, there's nothing to report on this side. And looking at the rear tyre again, the Sport Max Dunlop, and also another unscathed JCW wheel. It's got really good history this as well, considering the age. It has got a few services on it, which is nice. The rear diffuser looks really smart across the bottom, and the boot lid as well has no scratches. Coming to the corner here, can't see any marks on this side. Same with the quarter panel down here, and the alloy at the bottom with another Dunlop Sport Max, which are the original tyres were brand new, so they are just over 7,000 miles old. Nothing to comment on the passenger side. So overall on the exterior, a very clean car indeed. So on the interior of the Mini, we got the JCW patches here. They still have the film on from the factory, silver sports pedals. Got these lovely JCW seats as well, which are like bucket seats. We've got the automatic gearbox down the bottom, heated seats, aircon controls, satellite navigation. You've also got all your digital speedo up here with cruise control on the steering wheel, and the back to the seats look lovely and clean. And the vehicle's just covered over 7,000 miles, as I said earlier. So yeah, really low mileage, well maintained car, and ready to go for the summer.